This particular shot is typical of today. Years ago, I would not have accepted this image, in particular film days. But today, we can really make it sparkle. I'm going to go across to my preset called Vibrance New. Click on that. Now, Vibrance New, all I do is add a bit of contrast, some vibrance, a little bit of shadows, and then down in detail, I've sharpened the image a little bit. Okay, I'll come back to all of that soon. But in the basic panel, and the basic panel is the most important panel to understand in Adobe Lightroom Classic. Your ability to use this smartly will enable you to be a great creative artist. So in this case, I'm going to first of all crop the image. I've got 50 megapixels to play with. So I'm going to come down and let's say approximately set it up like that, a little bit tighter. I've still got about 12 megapixels to play with there, heaps of information. I'll then come to and check my settings through here. And at this stage, I'm happy with them all, but notice I'm underexposed overall the image a little bit. So universally, I could brighten this one up. And in this case, I'm going to go plus 0.6 a stop of light. And we're closer there now. Now I'll go to about there using whites, so a little bit of plus whites, and I'm now getting that lighter, brighter look to my image. But the bird is still a little bit flat. I'm going to come over to Mask Tool. Now in the old days, I would have used the brush, but today I can use Select Subject. What a stunning feature that Adobe's added. So Select Subject, it's doing that. Boom, it's targeted the bird virtually perfectly. I now come to exposure and I can just start to brighten the bird up a little bit. And look, let's go a little bit more. We're going to go to +1 stop there. I quite often do this, I'm going to add some shadows, just a little bit. I can go too far, obviously, don't want to do that. Okay, so just a little bit of shadows. I'm going to, in this example, go to 100%. And I'm going to add another mask. And this time I will use brush. I'm going to come in here and just target the eyes a little bit, that area through here. And probably a little bit of the darker blue there too. Okay, and I'm doing this just quickly so you can see as an example. Obviously, I would normally take a little bit more time with this. I'm going to come down to exposure. And I'm going to just brighten that up a tiny bit. So now I'm plus 3.6 stops of light. And you can see I'm doing all of this visually. I love to do it visually rather than be incremental and type in numbers and that sort of thing. I'm a visual artist. I want to be creative. Lightroom allows you to do that. I'm finished. I click done. I go back. I love that. I think I've got it spot on, very quick, very simply.